This is Marudu Panti from Pronil, India. We are one of the largest manufacturers for the Intumescent fire strips. Before going into the product, I want to say something about FSBI. FSBI is nothing but Fire and Safe Build India, which is one of the biggest exhibition for the fire and safety equipments and accessories and materials. Here you can find a lot of businessmen who deal with the fire and safety materials. And in overseas, this fire and safety building materials is one of the mandatory things used in the domestic buildings as well as construction, malls, the schools and other buildings. But here in India, still it is an option. We have to create more awareness and we have to create more knowledge towards the fire and safety equipments and materials. This exhibition is very useful to all the people, those who are visiting this exhibition, and it's my pleasure to participate in this FSBI, and it's really a pleasure and having more business franchisee with Pronil India. This strip is called as Intumescent fire strips, and this Intumescent fire strips is used in fire exit doors and other doors. And the advantage of fixing this fire strips in fire doors is, you can see here and consider this, imagine this as a fire door, and this Intumescent strips, it's a self-adhesive strips, can be fixed exactly on the frame. You can see the frame, and this frame is it's made of metal, and this Intumescent strips is having a release liner, and it's a release liner, paper liner. You just remove this and it's a self-adhesive, and you can fix the tape over here and you can close the door. Once fire comes in contact with this Intumescent fire strip, it starts swelling to some 300%, and it will last long for 2 hours fire. Okay, and by the meantime we have to escape, and this Intumescent fire strip will completely block the passage between the gaps
Good
of the
morning,
door and the
ladies
frame.
and gentlemen. We welcome you.
Fire exit doors, the Intumescent fire strips over the frame, and when fire comes in contact, when we have to close it side, this passage will be completely closed by the Intumescent fire strips, and it will not allow the flame or smoke inside the other room to the other room. Here you can see the swelling rate. That's the normal strip, and after application, once flame and power comes in contact, and it swells, and you can see the elongation, and it will block the passage of the smoke and the fire entry to the next room. And if the fire rating is 2 hours, if by the meantime we have to escape. And this is absolutely mandatory for the schools, school buildings, commercials, malls, everything, every building industry in India. And it is not at all an option in the construction industry, and this is mandatory in every building construction systems.